Day 3.
Good morning, good morning. You see, this room has everything inside. Dinner table, bathroom, next to the bathroom is toilet, face washing, whatever, basin there, have a small fridge down there, have TV, and this is like big mess. And it is very hard to find hotel rooms, I mean the basic commercial one, because everybody they are moving around, and especially this near Beijing side have flood, so they come this side, so it's much more busy anyway. So today it is a little bit rainy here, and we didn't decide yet where to go. Probably we're gonna go to the seaside, and the view from the window is like this. This is some university area. That side is one university. And you're down this building. They are nice. It is like we are walking on the cave. This side they have a restaurant, but we're not gonna eat there. This side. And this woman is a little bit mad. Can go everywhere. So this is the checkouts. Look like it's gonna be warm days today. This is Zoom. The problem of this area, no parking. Yesterday I made 3 big rounds around this area. Oh my god, even the road is full, so cannot even find the parking. Look, you see double line is full, forget one line. So I spent around 40 minutes to park there. So now we are moving to another city close to the sea, so let's see how is the weather there, and let's see how is the place there. So we decided to take highway to Bayou Chuan. So gonna be there around 3.5 hours, even we go slowly. So first we have to go to put the gas, and then I'm gonna go get the Bayou Chuan. If you don't set up your ETC in your car, means you have to come here and you have to get this one, the stuff to give. Thank you, she said. And move, that's it. So this card is the money. Our second time adding oil. Adding gas is going on, and the line is like this in a highway service center. I think this place also is very busy. You can see the ETC is already full, you know. So it's gonna be busy, gonna be busy. Anyway, help us a little bit. This guy help us a little bit.
过收费站后，立即右转。
Alright, see you in a while. Emergency opening the gate because it's busy. So she has a special machine to read this card there. This one. So it will come your fare there. So he gonna enjoy our money right now.
回去啊。
哎。
2 hours later.
So now we are here in this place. Gonna go inside. Here is the one shower and plus fun, some fun inside for the kids. So gonna take them inside and enjoy a little bit. This water is 58 degrees centigrade. And we are having tiger bath outside.
2 hours later.
For the second time we came to this market, tomato market, ketchup market, what is this? And this is night market and night junk food, snacks. This year is organized and busy. This is from Jilin barbecue. The bayou. This is the special fish from this city. Look. How much? 多钱一个? This year is double price than last time. Last time I remember that. So this year they are little bit expensive than last time. This one is good. Seed you want? Seed. Ah, here food. Look.
Wow.
Look at the fish here. Look. All their fish.
多少钱一条？
多少钱？
这个25，那个30。
哦，30大呀。
That one is 30 yen. This is 25 yen. Last time we bought for 18 yen, 16 yen. Forget it. But and this seafood, all types of snails.
Oh my god.
And this one is the best one. Like the fish also, they are best. Crabs, big crabs. All the seafood. So don't play with them. Thinking about to buy this fish.
官人。
For the gift for our neighbors or our relatives in Jilin. 1/2 kilo is 15 yuan, so is 1 kilo is 30 yuan, they said. So one is around 7-8 jin, means it's around 4.5 kilo, 5 kilo. So it's 150 yuan. It's cheap here. This city name is from this fish. So this fish, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. And they are really good, Last time, if you watch my previous video from 2 years before, I already reviewed that fish. This fish. Okay, we are going back to the same station that we came, and everywhere you can see this one, this side also, this fish, that side also. So this is the most attractive things in this street, plus seafood. Here they have different types of chicken feet. And this is potato chips, just for 10 yuan.
刘上达，
来个瓜的，
来个瓜的。你是来前面那个瓜还是后面那个瓜？前面那个。
多少钱一个？
哈密瓜12的。
Bargaining is going on. And they want the fresh one. This one just is
哎，我感觉跟这一样啊。
10. They cook in that time. This time we booked the apartment, and it's like 2-bedroom apartments with outside. It's 90 square meters big apartment. So we have everything there. You can cook there, you can wash clothes, everything, but a little bit old. So we're gonna take the things like this. Look, everybody is carrying the things there and there, the ladies, and then we're gonna go there, eat and sleep. This is the end of today's trip. So how do you like this vlog? Don't forget to write the comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to this channel. We're gonna see you in the next. Until next, good night.